Hello guys, this is Social Trades once more. What's going on? We're good? Yes, sir. Damn, technicals. Hello guys, this is Social Trades once more. So this is our weekly analysis for the NAS100. Already you can see arrows indicating higher prices. That's what I see. But let's validate that for a bit. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. So here we have an institutional entry drill here in terms of a fair value gap. I'm gonna pull this and I'm gonna see that. There we go. So I'm also including the volume imbalance down there. Yes, sir. So as you can see, market tried to come back. Initially it used this to go higher. Nobody's at all in here. So even now, there's still nobody's in here. What's that? It's telling us that it's bullish. It's telling us that it's so strong that it can't even put the body in here. That's the message. And this is a VB, which is a volume imbalance that we anticipated a real shorting from it. But it didn't do that. It gave us something else. So since we've seen that this one, this orange one, is a weekly institutional entry drill, we also have another daily institutional entry drill here. Nobody's in this. Zero. Let me just move this to the side a bit. Zero bodies. Okay, this is a 1 hour thing probably. Let me just do this. Yeah. So there are no bodies in here. The only body that we have, it lies on the high of this revenue gap. That's very key. It's showing us that institutional entry drill. So it's a nesting. And on a weekly basis, we can't even reach consequent encroachment, meaning we can't even reach 50% of this. You understand? That's very important in terms of it's showing us that it wants to go higher. So since that's the case, we're going to anticipate that there, right? And then if we zoom in, before the high, there, before that, what you have, we have this daily suspension block here. It's going to draw into it, right? Plus we have this here, liquidity resting there. Yes, sir. Now that we're here, I'd like to see no bodies here. No bodies, zero bodies here on the lower half of this, right? The upper half must be respected, keeping the bodies and all of that. The waves can come in here, and I'd like to see it go higher. This thing can gap higher, it's moving it. So the news will be used to drive sentiment and will be used to make people think that the Nasdaq will shoot to the moon, right? But then a bearish quarterly shift is coming in August, and that May, June, July. That's bullish, right? Even though the market here seems to go like down like that, but we're still in a bullish quarterly shift, right? And looking at the USDT, it needs to go higher more because of the Nasdaq and the S&P broke their highs here and went that high. But if you go to, where's our guy? If you go to our guy here, here's the recent all-time high here, you see. So let me just do that. We can also anticipate more upside on the Nasdaq, also on the S&P 500. But also adding to it, because if I can hold it for the whole daily range where the market, oh man, it's moving back. We're back guys. Still loading. Let me just go on the weekly chart here.